guys, I'm Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have a GLOSSYBOX to share with you. So this is GLOSSYBOX's 10th anniversary or 10th birthday or whatever. So they sent this box for me to review. There's something stuck to it. GLOSSYBOX is $21 a month, but if you prepay for like 6 months or 12 months in advance, you can get a discount. Also, I have some sort of a discount in the description box, so make sure you check that out if you are interested in getting a GLOSSYBOX. Okay, so the products in this month's box, the first thing in here is this lip gloss from KAB, K-A-B. I have another lip product from them that I really like. It just has a really lovely texture to it and everything. So I was excited about this one. It is a lip oil. It is a Juicy Melon lip oil, and it's quite large, as you can see. This retails for $20. So it has this giant doe foot applicator on there, and it's a lip oil, but it feels like a lip gloss. It's not super sticky, but it's definitely like wet looking. I've been wearing this for the last couple of days. I'm gonna put some on because my lips feel dry. And I really, really like it. It's just a clear gloss, so you can put it over whatever your lipstick you're wearing or wear it on its own. The formula on this, like I said, it's very wet looking. It feels like a lip gloss. It's not super sticky or anything, but it is very hydrating. So I had put it on and I just didn't have any makeup on. I just had this on and I looked in the mirror and I was like, holy cow, my lips look so plump. And it's not a lip plumper at all, but they just were like fully hydrated, so there were no wrinkles in my lips at all. And I was pretty impressed with that, just like the hydration aspect of this. So I'm really digging the KAB products that I've tried. It does have a little bit of like I guess it's a melon scent, but it's not super strong. This I was a little bit confused about because it's actually supposed to be like a 3-in-1. This is from Glow Recipe and it is their Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. It's a cleanser and you can use it just to wash your face, and then I guess you can use it as a makeup remover, but the directions are basically like just use more of it to get your makeup off. I don't know. And then you can also use it as a mask. So I haven't tried it as a mask yet. It does have lots of great ingredients in it. Evidently blueberry extract is supposed to be amazing. It has AHAs, which is like a gentle chemical exfoliator. Well, it's not always gentle, but this is pretty gentle. And as a cleanser, you don't notice it. As a mask, you might notice it a little bit more, but that is a chemical exfoliator. And then you have a hyaluronic acid and some other wonderful stuff in there that's just supposed to be really good for your skin and hydrating and stuff. Some of the reviews were like, oh, if you have dry skin, don't use this, use their papaya one. I don't know, I haven't used any of their other cleansers like this. I do have a couple other things like the little pots of makeup remover, which I really, really like. This I felt worked great with my Clarisonic. Just rubbing it in my hands, I don't know, I didn't feel like I was getting my skin clean enough. Maybe it's just me, but I loved using it with my Clarisonic, so I'm definitely going to keep using this. This does have a little bit of fragrance in it, but I was reading on their website that they use a very small amount, like less than 0.5% fragrance, and it doesn't have yucky chemicals in it or anything, and that's basically just for the enjoyment of using it, the sensory numminess of having, you know, like a blueberry-esque scent. So so far so good with this. I think that I will continue to use it. I really do like it. This I have not yet tried. This is from HASK, and this is a Keratin Protein Soothing Deep Conditioner. So it's just, you know, I guess you could use it as a regular conditioner, or I am more likely to use this as a hair mask because I really like to do deep conditioning on my bangs. This is the only part of my hair that's treated, and I do bleach it and color it regularly. So I do like to do like a deep conditioning mask. So I'm excited about using this. And basically from what I've read up on it, it sounds really lovely. It's a foil packet, but usually if I'm just gonna use like a small amount, like I could use this on my whole head, or I could just use a smallish amount and probably get, I don't know, maybe 4 uses out of this if I'm just using it on my bangs, and I'll just put it like in a plastic baggie or whatever to keep it fresh and safe. This is from ELEMIS. This is Pro-Collagen Marine Cream, and it is an anti-aging moisturizer. It does have a light scent, but I found it to be inoffensive. I'm not crazy about scented stuff on my face, so I'm always a little bit, you know, wishy-washy about that kind of thing, but it wasn't offensive and it didn't linger or anything like that. It did feel like a really nice hydrating hydrating moisturizer without being super heavy. You know, a lot of anti-wrinkle, anti-aging stuff is really thick and heavy and almost greasy feeling. This wasn't like that at all. I did use it at night. Actually, I used it during the day once too, and I thought that it went really lovely underneath my sunscreen, and I slept in it and woke up and my skin felt great. So, you know, I will also continue to use this little guy. This is from Cetaphil, and I love Cetaphil products, okay? They're inexpensive and they are often really great, especially for sensitive skin. When my kids were babies, this was like all I would use on them. I have tubs of the Cetaphil cream. I really like their cleansers and stuff. This one is, I guess it's a new product, and it is Sheer Hydration Replenishing Body Lotion, and it is for dry or dehydrated skin. So it has, you know, it's supposed to last 48 hours, lots of hydration, blah, blah, blah. It has a cute little pump top, and it's not a super thick formula. It definitely does have a scent to it, like a strong enough scent that I was like, I don't think I'm going to use this anymore because I don't like it. It smells like, it's not that horrible, but it's just not a scent that I like. Kind of smells like soap or something. It's not awful. I just don't want it all over my body. Is one of those things. It's one of those things that I'll probably keep around the house for when I'm feeling extra dry, or if my kids need some extra moisturizer. You know, in the summertime, we often get really dry skin, sunburns, and I think that I will keep this around for that. But the scent on this annoyed me, and I feel like most Cetaphil products don't have a scent. So I don't know what's up with that. And then there was one more product that I think I was supposed to get in this box, but it wasn't in there. I actually emailed the company, I mean, like, you know, an hour ago. So they haven't had a lot of time to respond. But it was supposed to be an Invisibobble, and I have it on here, which is how I even know that I was supposed to get it. It's one of those rubber bands that looks like an old telephone wire, you know, the coiled up thing, for those of us who still remember telephone wires. And it's, you know, just like a hair thing. And I had some of these. This one is supposed to be like a sleeker design. I don't know, because I do have some of these, and they are great for like a messy bun updo kind of a thing, because you can just kind of squish it on and pull bits of your hair out, and it's got, you know, the coils, so it does hold your hair up. You have to be careful not to get your hair too tangled. So it's more like put your hair in a rubber band and then put this on top of it to like fluff it out and make it messy. So my hair just has a regular rubber band on it right now. But, you know, kind of a fun product. I'm a little sad that I didn't get one in my box, but hopefully you will if you get the August box. So like I said, I have a discount code in the description box if you guys want to check it out. This is their 10th anniversary. Pretty good box. I like that they give you a variety of body care, face stuff. You have a little makeup and hair stuff. So anyway, all of that information will be in the description box. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!